gut, der läuft schon. Ach so. Jetzt, sag mir das. So, hello everyone. Good morning, America. Good morning, Canada. And good evening, Dubai. Ladies and gentlemen, I will give you the information about our new business in the ICO at KaratBank and KaratBank. And I began in 2011 this company from KaratPay. Karatbars is absolutely independent from the other companies. And I founded Karatbars with one goal. This goal is give the mass of the people the gold. And how important is the gold for everyone? I think that most of you know it. If it's in 2008, the financial crisis, we had a big problem. We had one step more and everything was exploding this time. And now we have another chance in the last 8-9 years. We can build your money with gold. And that's the reason why I founded Karatbars International. We have in 6 years over 100 million turnover, and people are excited of this new payment system. And we founded in 2015 the KaratBank with one goal. We will storage the gold in the KaratBank, and the seat from this company is in Singapore. And also we founded a company, KaratPay, in Singapore. This is the, was sagt man als Tochter? This is the connected company with KaratBank. And the goal is we create a new financial system in the whole world. Everyone knows gold, and we create it with gold. And this is why we create CashGold, that you have the physical thing, and we create the virtual thing with KaratPay. Then you can move your gold from your account to another account. And that's very important. And by the way, today we have already done the Google app. You can download our app from Google, and it's the Android. And Apple needs a little bit more time, but in the next few days you can do this also. So, and now we are perfect in our payment system. But we miss one. We need the power that we can work with this payment system. Then we need gold backed before the people pay in KaratPay and something like this. And it's very important. This is why we create a new coin, the ICO. It's running at the moment from 15th of February and the next 2 months. And we capitalize the KaratBank. Imagine if you load the gold in your KaratBank account. You load with your credit card the gold, and the KaratPay have to know this gold and have to have this gold in the KaratBank. This is why we create this ICO with within 72 millions. We capitalized $72 million, and nearby a half ton we backed in the KaratBank that the KaratPay system is running. That's the reason. And the other investments we will buy for an office in Singapore and for a safe Tresor for our safe. And it's very important that we have our own storage, not on the harbor. This is a big cost 1% from the value, and nobody can pay it. But this is why we buy one time for a office there, and we create a safe from, it's the cost around about 1.5 million, that we have our gold in storage there. And this is why we do this, that the people has trust in this system. I created in the last 8 years this company, and now I will give you the trust and the trust for the whole world that the gold is backed in this safe and in Singapore. And why in Singapore? We have the Europe zone, we have the North American zone, and I have the decision for the safety zone in the Asia zone in Singapore. Then I have a good feeling the gold is there, and we can work in Singapore in the whole world. Yeah. The second step is that we create this ICO, and you know that we in the beginning, in the ICO phase, it's the gold backed around about 4%. Yeah? 10,000 tokens, it's 0.1 gram. Okay, this is not backed in gold, but our plan is 20% from the turnover, not the turnover, from the profit from KaratPay and KaratBank, 20% in gold goes in the token pool. And it goes in the token pool every year until that we reach one token, it's 0.1 gram. And that's the goal. Then we have our coin, token it's now, but the coin, it's, if we are on the exchange, then we have our coin backed in gold, 100%. And I don't know, you can imagine what has happened with our coin. He's go up, he goes down. Baby, it's your decision. We don't know, but we can imagine what has happened with this coin. This is full backed in gold in the future. And this is why I promise me that we have a good business with this opportunity with our coins. I know that in the different area, he can invest in the ICO. And we wrote this on the side in the white paper. But you have the same opportunity if we are on the stock. Promise me that you can have the same advantage that the people, it is allowed to invest yet now. But I talk about this, and you have the information. And if we are on the stock in June, maybe around about, then you get the same opportunity that the people have now. In the countries was allowed. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the people are excited, and I hear from all over the world, and people join us. I never before hear from these people, and they say, "Wow, what a great thing what we do now." Okay, we have a lot of ICOs with gold backed. I looking in the internet and look there, and but what we do, it's really unique, really unique. No company has this developments in what we have in the past. We have done in the past with CashGold, with KaratPay, with an app. We have a full financial system, and all is legal. Then we move the gold. Yeah? And imagine what is happening in the future with our ICO. And I will say that we, in the next few days, again and again, we go live here in Facebook, and we talk about the ICO, the special things, maybe the question, what you have, what I see, and I look for a specialist, and we talk about with this, and maybe with one leader here, and we have time in the next 2 months that we talk about the ICO, and we can give you in this time the information, how many money we raise, and how many people join us, and this are very important information for you. Yes, I hope you are well, and I hope you same excited like me, yeah. And if I see in the nights how many people join and buy and raise up and doing our ICO, it's incredible. And I say this was the right decision. What I do with KaratBank, we go to the next step, to the next level. With this money, what we have with the ICO, we can go to the top level. We make a billion company with you together. Together, we are powerful. I need your help, but we need our help together. And from 2 weeks, for 2 weeks or 1 week, I bring one product in the market, the master key system. You remember? Look in your back office and look for the new products and master key system. The master key system is a very important thing for you. It's changed my life. If you go this way, if you concentrate of this program, it's an audiobook, and buy for this audiobook, download this, and work with this, then your life will completely change. You can promise me, I do it in 2008. In 2008, I began with this book, and within 7 months, I built an organization for over 20,000 people, and I make a lot of money. And with this money in 2011, I can invest KaratBank, and now I will give you this information that you do it the same. And this will be great if everyone here will look here in the Facebook with me, to me, will be successful. Now it's time to say goodbye, and I see you the next time. And whatever you do, go straight, and see you soon. I love you, and have a nice time. Bye-bye.